Border radius genuinely rounds an element's real corners, from subtle curves to a full actual circle. In this video you'll use border radius several real ways. This real value genuinely rounds all four corners equally by an actual 8px radius. Four real values here genuinely round each corner independently, top corners rounded, bottom corners actually square, in clockwise order. Border radius 50% on a real equal width height element genuinely creates a perfect actual circle. Border radius genuinely rounds all corners with one value. Four values genuinely round each corner independently, clockwise. 50% on an equal-sized element genuinely creates a real circle. Build a real circular avatar placeholder using border radius 50%. Ready to add real depth with box shadows.